How to fix ASMMAP64.sys. A driver cannot load on this device in Windows 11. Hello friends, the issue occurs when you try to turn on memory integrity. Follow the steps to fix it. Right click on Start, select Installed apps. Here in the list, find ASUS ATK hotkey driver. To be fair, the driver is not installed on my computer. I am showing an example here. Suppose this is the ASUS ATK package. Then click on three dots for that and click on uninstall. On the pop-up, again click on uninstall. Once uninstalled, restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. Check if the issue is fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.